Aventador or SVJ in Driving School Simulator game is back to hitting rev limiter again. Don't imitate the sound if you hear it. In this game, you can't enjoy revving it if there is no one here, unlike city car driving game. Cars can't have malfunctions in Driving School Simulator game. That's why city car driving game is even more fun to play, because there are people everywhere you can rev your Aventador at. We are quitting Driving School Simulator game after, and we are choosing city car driving game. This is the last video. We are gonna hear Aventador or SVJ hitting rev limiter in DSS game. We are not gonna play this anymore. Let's wait for the rev limiter to stop. Now we downshift it to rev limiter. Okay, we are done. Goodbye, Driving School Simulator game.